One thing about me, I'm gonna be transparent. No, I didn't post on the 30th day, so welcome back to 30 days of pouring into ourselves. Boom! Day 1, we're starting at the top. How are you feeling on this wonderful November day? Fall is over. I can't believe October came and went so fast. Like, we're gonna need a recap, honestly, and so I'm gonna give you guys that vlog that I told you I filmed, that haul. Check in with me. Are you still here? Are you new here? Welcome back. This is a no excuse way to make more time for you every single day as we show up together with words of love and light, sharing our songs of the day, because you know I got great music taste. Hello. Picking each other's brain, asking questions that you may not normally think about, but honestly might help you in the long run. And like I said before, affirming each other with words of love and light. So let's dive into it. Song of the day is Boom. It's just a vibe. It's just a vibe. Moving on into picking your brain for the day, I want to know what you feel like may be holding back your faith, or maybe the reason for your impatience. If you are impatient at all, I don't know, you could be like the most zen person out there, but I want to know if you feel like there's anything that is holding back your faith or your full trust and belief in self and what you're doing. That is my question for the day, and I'm gonna wait till you answer so I can answer. I don't know why, but I completely forgot to ask, did you do anything for Halloween? I don't know if you celebrate or just care to dress up. I want to see your costume if you did. I actually went to see Sexy Red with my sister, and it was so much fun. Oh my gosh. I'll show you guys some clips. Maybe in the next video. I don't know. Should I? And then yeah, now let's dive into our affirmations, and today they are focused on faith, hence why I asked that question. You see me so good at this. But let's dive in. Take 3 deep breaths, and on the 3rd one, let it be your deepest breath that you've taken for the whole day. Ready? Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Don't play with me. That better have been your deepest one, okay? Let's dive in. I firmly believe that I am a person of faith. I am rooted in self. I am rooted in what is real and true. I trust that everything is working out as it should. I trust that the space that I am currently in is essential for my growth. I do not worry about what is not concerning my present moment. I am ready to be fully here right now. I'm going to say that one again. I am ready to be fully here right now. Showing up for myself in this present moment, in my current reality. I know that no matter what happens, my faith is unshakable. We're going to say that 2 more times. I know that no matter what happens, my faith is unshakable. 1 more time. I know that no matter what happens, my faith is unshakable. And like you mean it, come on. Faith is the foundation in my life. I am only concerned about things that pour into me. And I am only surrounding myself with things and people that pour into me. Today I am at peace. One more time. Today I am at peace. My faith shines through even in the darkest hour. Each day I am holding on for something greater to enter my life. And I know that one day I will wake up and see that something greater in my current reality. I believe in who I am and am walking in my purpose. I am allowing myself to make mistakes, allowing myself to learn and to show up for myself as a present observer of my reality. I choose faith over fear and doubt. I choose faith over fear and doubt. One more time, because I feel like you didn't hear me good. I choose faith over fear and doubt. I am immensely loved and protected by the universe. One more time. I am immensely loved and protected by the universe. And you are. I relinquish control and surrender to a higher power. We're going to say that again, and this one's going to be personal for me. I relinquish control and surrender to God's plan for me. Every hardship enriches my soul and strengthens my faith. Ooh, one more time. Like, that one really just... Every hardship enriches my soul and strengthens my faith. For it is my faith that sets me free from doubt. For it is my faith that sets me free from doubt. Having faith comes naturally to me. Because of my faith, I can achieve the impossible. One more time. It is because of my faith that I can achieve the impossible. I know that my every action is blessed by the universe. I know that my every action is blessed by the universe. I know that's right. We're gonna say a few more and then, oh, my camera's gonna die. So thank you guys for spending some time with me today. I will see you tomorrow.